Joshua James Egan, in the presence of God, take you, Jacqueline Ann Reyes Kolkebeck, to be my wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better and for worse, for richer and for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish as long as we both shall live. This is my solemn vow and promise.
I, Jacqueline Ann Reyes Kolkebeck, in the presence of God, take you, Joshua James Egan, to be my husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better and for worse, for richer and for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish as long as we both shall live. This is my solemn vow and promise.